Hello, children.
How are you? I hope you all are doing good. Do you know, children, what are these? Yes, these are trees. Oh, even the biggest trees begin life as tiny seeds. बड़े से बड़ा पेड़ भी पहले क्या होता है? एक छोटी सी seed. You can see here how a little seed grows into a big plant. Little by little, धीरे धीरे करके. So today we are going to read a poem Little by Little. This poem is about a little acorn and how it grows into a big tree. But do you know what is an acorn? An acorn is a small nut of an oak tree. ओक ट्री जो होता है उसके फल को, उसकी छोटी सी नट को क्या बोलते हैं? एकॉर्न. डू यू लाइक द शेप ऑफ एकॉर्न? इट्स लाइक अ कप शेप. हाँ, और उसने सर पे क्या पहनी है? हैट. सो इट इज एन एकॉर्न. और आपको पता है द स्क्विरल ऑल्सो लाइक्स एकॉर्न वेरी मच. Let's start the poem. Little by little. Little by little an acorn sat as it slowly sank in its mossy bed. I am improving every day, hidden deep in the earth away. Little by little each day it grew. Little by little it sipped the dew. Downward it sent out a thread-like root. Up in the air sprang a tiny shoot. Day by day and year by year, little by little the leaves appear, and the slender branches spread far and wide, till the mighty oak is the forest bright. So this is your poem. Now we will understand the poem. Okay? Little by little. Little by little an acorn sat. So who is telling you about itself? An acorn. हमको एक acorn बता रहा है. As it slowly sank in its mossy bed. Slowly, धीरे धीरे, sank. Sank is a past form of sink, मतलब डूबना. So little by little the acorn is slowly sinking, मतलब धीरे धीरे वो मिट्टी के अंदर जा रहा है. In its mossy bed, और उसकी जो मिट्टी है, जो सॉइल है, कैसी है? इट्स मॉसी, पूरी मॉस से भरी. लाइक दिस. I am improving every day. और मैं धीरे धीरे improve कर रहा हूँ. Hidden deep in the earth away, and it is hidden. Can you see a seed when it is under the soil? No. जब हम उसे सॉइल के अंदर होती हम नहीं देख सकते. So it is hidden, छुपी हुई है, गहरी, deep in the earth away. In the soil it is hidden. Little by little each day it grew. धीरे धीरे करके, थोड़ा थोड़ा करके, each day it grew, and it grew every day, each day. Little by little, it sipped the dew. Sipped. देखो जैसे स्ट्रॉ से पानी पीते हैं ना हम सिप कर करके. Like this, it sipped the water. It sipped the dew. जो ओस की बूंदें, जो पानी आप डालते हैं, it sipped. वो धीरे धीरे करके सीड पीती है. Downward it sent out a thread-like root. Now, have you seen the root of any plant? It is like a thread. धागे की तरह होती है ना ऐसे. So, downward नीचे की तरफ वो क्या भेज रहा है? A thread-like root. The under part of the soil. This part which is under the soil is known as root. तो नीचे की तरफ downward it sent out a thread like root. Up in the air and up in the air और ऊपर की तरफ क्या है? Sprang a tiny shoot. Sprang a tiny shoot. छोटे सा एक पार्ट निकल के आता है सीड में से. Sprang अचानक से एकदम फूट के बाहर आता है. A tiny shoot. This part is called a shoot. तो नीचे वाला पार्ट root and ऊपर वाला पार्ट shoot. Day by day and year by year, little by little, the leaves appear. Now, day by day, दिन ब दिन, year by year, you know, some plants take so many years to changes into a big tree. Okay, so धीरे धीरे करके year by year the leaves appear. अब क्या आ गई प्लांट में? Leaves. And the slender branches spread far and wide. Slender branches. Slender मतलब पतली पतली. पहले कैसी कैसी branches आती हैं? पतली पतली branches. Spread far and wide. और धीरे धीरे वो पूरे में फैल जाती हैं ट्री में. Right? And till the mighty oak is the forest pride. और यही slender slender branches क्या हो जाती हैं? Very powerful, mighty. बहुत पावरफुल हो जाती है और it becomes a forest pride. The mighty oak is the forest pride. जो mighty oak है, जो शक्तिशाली पावरफुल oak है, now it is the forest pride. जैसे आप भी अभी छोटे हैं लेकिन आप पढ़ के बड़े होकर अच्छे से मेहनत करके क्या बन जाएंगे? वेरी पावरफुल, mighty. Okay? So now the mighty oak is formed from a tiny seed. Children, do you know what do plants need to grow? कि plants को क्या क्या चाहिए? Okay, help me out. What it is? Yes, it requires air. Then next, sun. Sunlight उसे चाहिए तो sun भी चाहिए कि sunlight. Then water and soil. So these are the things a plants need to grow. आपने प्लांट ग्रो किया है क्या? देखिए, it is very easy. You all should plant a tree. First, take a flower pot. Second, put some soil. Then seeds. Then put some water and keep it in the sunlight. And after some time, you will see the flowers are coming out of the plant. तो हमारा प्लांट रेडी हो जाता है. What we get from plants and trees. हमें प्लांट से क्या क्या मिलता है? You know, plant gives us fruits and vegetables. हमें fruits और vegetables भी मिलते हैं. And it is a shelter of many animals. लाइक बर्ड्स, monkeys, squirrels. बहुत सारे एनिमल्स भी तो प्लांट पे रहते हैं ना. ओके. नेक्स्ट, इट also gives us fresh air to breathe. हमें ऑक्सीजन कहाँ से मिलती है? From the plant. And plants and trees also are the food of many animals. हमारे साथ साथ बहुत सारे animals का भी वो food होते हैं, like giraffe, cow, goat. और आप बता सकते हैं कौन कौन से? Make a list which animals depend on the plants for food. Okay. And do you know plants also gives us paper. ये जो पेपर हम ड्राइंग करते हैं ना, ये हम लिखते हैं, this is also we are getting from the trees. So do not waste paper. पेपर को वेस्ट नहीं करना है. ओके. Save paper, save trees. Rhyming words in the poem. Children, help me out in finding the rhyming words. Set. Yes. Bed. Day. Away. Grew. Do. Root. Shoot. Ear. Appear. White. Bright. So these are the rhyming words you have to do in your notebook. So that's all for the today's class. We will be doing the exercise in our next part. Keep smiling. Bye bye. Stay happy, stay healthy. Bye.